Oh shit! Another chug?
Big time. Yeah, so
spoiler alert, we're all gonna die. Now that's the way to start a rap song. Why even latch on? Why fight it? Why try? Really, what's the sense in even arguing? Wild ways ever since a child stayed in my head and out of line, stealing daddy's parliaments. Looking, gift horses in the mouth, making invisible friends with evil forces in my house. My grandmother praying for her grandson's salvation. Don't worry about it, grandmama, I'm an honest man. Gotta test the water till I'm within inches of that iceberg. I stir the pot, I will make it my life's work. You're not on my level. I wanna take this opportunity to give a shout out to the devil. For no fucking reason, I don't fucking need one. If you came big, you drop the motherfucking shovel. I think I need therapy, couple feathers short of a Cherokee. I'm all by myself, preaching heresy, drinking kerosene, somewhere where the air is clean, hanging out like David Carradine. If you don't like my album, how come? You must have an aversion to style fun, hearing yourself outdone. Rappers bring them out one by one and now run circles around them. Come 2025, I'll be 40 years old, provided the world don't explode. Assuming I won't start moving backwards like Benjamin Button. I am a god, don't pretend that I wasn't when I leave here. It's embedded in my heritage, heard it through the grapevine and tell it to my therapist. Grew up sharing spliffs with derelicts, comparatively we all winning, now isn't that there a bitch? Goddamn, this rocket ship will not land. 100 miles are running, blowing past all the off-ramps. In the off chance you can keep up, ain't no mind to speak bumps. They're all in your head, call me presump. Shoot us, do lust after the juice gush. Shit out my populace, mental out the hood like ex-Ku Klux Klan members, bad temper, thus it is useless and foolish to think that you could go through us or even move us. Ladies think I'm cute, plus they want me in they throat like mucus. Made my mistakes, but I've also made a few bucks. You're like George Jefferson, I'm George Lucas. Okay, girls walk to us, wanna do us, screw us. Who us? Yeah, Hopper and crew just cause too much ruckus on school bus. Mind on Confucius, you must got it twisted like Brewbucks. I exude energy of Mary Lou. Look at ladies like trophies, look at rappers and see food. Third eye focused on that which can be viewed. And by who never want chess, yes I am amused. Put running oven came out, batch of cupcakes. Now my famous people comment on my status updates. Fuck face, what have you done? Let's all get naked and start the revolution, cause we could use one. Right about now, got half a mind to license my style. I suggest you say goodbye to that smile, cause you ain't gonna need that for a while. I might do a little bit of both right now. Hey, don't be fooled by the electric guitars. Since 1985, I've been blessed with the bars. Don't need to get high, I'm already next to the stars. And next up it's Mars, and I'm just as impressed as you are. Watch me make $1 million before I leave. Hey, watch me make $1 million before I leave. I want the drug dealer, Beamer, Mitch drove and paid in full. We don't need no water, my homies cascade in pools. I broke the family curse, first I had to break the rules. Not too bad for a crazy fool who ain't do great in school. Get it how you live, snort it if you can afford it. I stand next to giants and I still feel enormous. This isn't an aura, it's a fortress. I'm eating 7 courses, God don't like ugly, so don't hate me cause I'm gorgeous.